We are here in front of Maisel Center for our world. Hold on, say it one more time. What is it?
World premiere of Lakay in Harlem.
I thought the movie was beautiful, very well done,
inspiring.
I felt uplifted when I laughed.
It was a wonderful, wonderful pilgrimage for anyone.
Experience like
I'm Haitian. I was able to really connect with everything they were experiencing there.
It's a wonderful film.
Now, it's been a wonderful time here. We're just excited. October 17th, guys, we got Miami, Orlando, Tampa, and of course Chicago, our hometown.
That's right. You guys have been doing a wonderful job and sharing and tagging all your friends. You know, we appreciate it, so continue to support. And then looking forward to bringing Lakay to your hometown soon, all right? See you then.